In this video, I will show you how to make any page your homepage in WordPress, so you can control what visitors see first and give your site a clean, professional look. To get started, go to the left menu and click on Settings. Then click on Reading under the section that says Your Homepage Displays. Choose the option that says A Static Page. This will allow you to set any page as your homepage instead of showing your latest posts now. Set the homepage option to the page you want visitors to see first. And if you have a blog, set the posts page to the page you want to use for your blog posts once you've selected the pages you want. Scroll down and click Save Changes. This will update your site so your chosen page becomes the new homepage now. Whenever people visit your website, they will see the page you selected, allowing you to highlight your services, products, or welcome message right away. This makes your site easier to navigate, gives you full control over your site's first impression, and helps you guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. And that's it. Thank you for watching.